Hi, I'm Todd, and I'm on a hunt to find the best food in London. This year we've visited over 200 restaurants, and here are some of our favourites. First up, Old Hag for their Scottish morning rolls. All the rolls are baked fresh in-house, and they're filled with square sausages, tatty scones, black pudding, bacon. Straight up deliciousness. Next up, the Noodle Inn, who make all their noodles fresh to order. This is the oil spill, wide noodle, beef short, and the noodles are so long they would literally reach the ceiling. The way the spices stick to the noodle is incredible, and they make it even better by adding the beef short rib. Then we head to Temple Crown, a desi pub in North London, who serve an Indian-style Sunday roast. The slow-cooked and then barbecued masala lamb shank is heavenly, and the meat just melts in your mouth. And I absolutely love all the variety of trimmings you get with this roast too. Next up, hidden in the back of Queensway Market, this is Norma, and she runs the whole restaurant by herself. It's a Malaysian-style cafe, and this rangdang served with a roti is one of the best bites of food I've put in my mouth this year. The roti is so crispy, it's almost sweet, and the way that beef just melts in your mouth, ridiculous. Another favourite is Sister's Jerk Chicken at One Love Kitchen. It's all cooked in an oil drum and served with this really thick jerk sauce. The jerk sauce has this amazing fruitiness, it's sweet, it's spicy, and just look at that jerk chicken come off the bone. Behave yourself. And finally, Black Cactus for their ridiculous barbecue platter. These guys were working on a construction site before starting their smokehouse, and within 1 week we're putting out short ribs looking like this. Join the ride and follow for part 2 if you can't take a date to Kamei. Enjoy.